Good morning children, I am Mehul sir. As you all know, I will teach you English this year in class 5th. Today we will start with Unit 1, Poem 1. On the screen, you can see three different pictures. The first picture shows rainy season. In the second picture, children are playing in the snow. It is scene of the winter. And the last picture is of summer season. Now I will show you food that we like to take during summer season. The first one is watermelon, then mango, then you can see juices of different fruits. But can you guess which is the most favorite food of children during summer season? Okay, I will give you one hint. It is cold, sweet and creamy. Now, can you guess? Yes, it's ice cream. So today we will learn the poem Ice Cream Man. First, I will recite the poem Ice Cream Man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. So this is the poem. Now I will explain it. Okay. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Here, when it is a summer season in the city and there is too much heat and the walls and the bricks become as hot as fire, it is the time when the ice cream man arrives to the city with his little cart filled with ice cream and goes around the street. Okay, next four lines. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. When the ice cream man came to the city with his ice cream cart and makes trundling sound, it makes children very happy. Now there is a big round umbrella on the ice cream man's cart, and it is a very joyful thing to look at when he is filling the cone with mounds of ice cream with cooling brown and white under his umbrella. Here the word mounds means a large amount of something or pile, or you can say heap. Next lines. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. The ice cream has many flavors of ice cream like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. There may be some more flavors of ice cream like mango, kesar pista and many more. And he is also having chilly things to drink, and bottles are very cold and they have drinks of many colors. It makes fizzy noise because of the ice when the ice cream man opens it. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. Okay, now here in the last stanza, the ice cream cart was compared to the flower bed. which may be full of roses and sweet peas. As you have seen honeybees gathering around the flowers, here in a similar way the children also gathered around the ice cream cart. Here children are compared to honeybees and the ice cream cart is compared to the flower bed. Okay, here the poet tries to describe the love of children for ice cream. Now we will discuss new words and question answers and other exercise of the chapter. Okay, now you have to also write down these new words, question answers and other exercise in your classwork copy, and after that I will give you homework at the end of the lesson that you have to do yourself in your copy as your homework. First of all, new words. The first one is blaze. You can see in the picture there is a picture of fire, and in the second picture you can see a flame. So here blaze means bright flame or fire. Next word is frosty fizz. As you can see in the picture, when we open the bottle of any of the cold drink or can of the cold drink, you can hear hissing or bubbling sound. So that sound is called frosty fizz. Here chilled drink making a hissing or you can say bubbling sound. Next, trundling. As you can see in the picture, in the first picture there is a wheel of you can say trolley, and that wheels are very small but they are broad. So when we move that trolley, or as we have seen in the poem ice cream cart, when the ice cream man moving that cart makes very noisy sound. That sound is made because the wheels are very small and broad. So when moving on small broad wheels, it means trundling. Here the next word is mounds. It means heap or pile. You can see in the first picture there is a heap of cow dung cakes. So in the second picture also you can see there is a heap. In the third picture what you can see, there is a very big heap of ice cream one on another. Okay, they are called ice cream mounds. Okay, here the next one is cluster. In the first picture you can see there are so many bananas, so you can call it group of bananas. In the second picture there are many flowers, so you can also call them group of flowers. In the last picture there are many children in the group, so here cluster means gather around or group of similar things. So these are new words. Now we will discuss question answers. The first question: in which season is ice cream popular? Answer: ice cream is popular in summer season. Next question: who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? The children feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Third question: name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. Here we are talking about the flavors which we have seen in the poem, or the flavors which the ice cream man was selling. Okay, the ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors of ice cream in his cart. There may be some more flavors, but here they are asking about only the flavors which the ice cream man has in his cart. Next, number 4. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream and cold drinks. Number 5. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart is compared to the flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Okay, as we have seen that there are when the ice cream man came, the children gathered around the ice cream cart as the honeybees gathered around the flowers. So here the ice cream cart was compared to the flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Number 6. Let's write. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. Okay, here they are asking you, you have to note down the activities or things you like to do during the winter season. Okay. The first one is, in winter season we can sip hot tea, coffee or soup. Then we can also take hot food like pakoda, sandwich or popcorn. Then we can enjoy doing exercises and playing outdoor games. In winter we can play outdoor games. We can also sit around a fire or in warmth of sun. So these are some of the activities which we like to do in winter season. Now next question, number 7. List as many summer activities as you can. So now we have to make a list of summer activities. The first one, eating ice cream or taking cold drinks or fruit juice. So I think this one is the most favorite one of the children. Next, swimming, trekking, going for picnic in the evening. Next, drawing sketches or paintings, dancing, reading storybooks and playing video games. So these are most of the activities, they are indoor activities, because in summer we cannot play outside in hot summer noonday. Next, playing indoor games and going to water park. So these are all summer activities. Now next, number 5. Now group these activities into indoor and outdoor activities. Now we have to differentiate these all activities, summer and winter. We have to now put them in indoor and outdoor activities. So first of all, we will note down indoor activities. So indoor activities are playing indoor games, drawing or painting, dancing, reading storybooks, etc. They are all indoor activities. Now outdoor activities, swimming, trekking, doing exercise and playing outdoor games and going for picnic. They all are outdoor activities. Now next, what are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? Okay, I hear sound of ringing bell. I hear ice cream man's loud voice. So when the ice cream man came, he made some sound, or he called loudly for the children so that they can come and they can enjoy the ice cream. And the last one, I also hear the joyful shouting of the children. Next, now here there is an example of how to write a report on the given topic. In the textbook there is an example how to write it. So first of all I will read it Here is a report on Uncle Lal's farm. Father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows. He has 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. So this is the report on Uncle Lal's farm. We have seen how they have written, but now they will give us a topic on that we have to write it down. Okay, now, but they have given us some clues how to write a report. So we will first discuss all that clues and the things which can help us how to write a report. Okay, when writing a report, remember to do these things. Okay, think of a good title and write it correctly. So first of all, we need to think about a good title for the report. Then second thing is keep to your subject. It means you have to just write roundabout or near to your subject. Then tell things in the right order and make your paper look neat. So it means you have to keep your paper on which you are writing a report, you have to keep it clean. Don't make it looking dirty, look dirty. Now here there is the work for you. In groups of 4, write a report on different brands of ice cream available in your area. Now you have to write a report on a different brands of ice cream available in your area, and you may use the following clues. So first of all, we will discuss about these clues. Number 1, start with a short introduction which contains the topic. So first of all, you have to introduce your topic. Then list the ice cream brands available in your area. So which are different brands available in your area of ice cream, you have to list out. You have to write them in the report. Then number 3, next say which are the common flavors of ice cream in each of the brands. So in each brand, which are the different flavors available. Then under each brand, find out which flavors are being sold the most. So under which brand, which flavors are sold the most, and also find out their prices. And number 5, finally write which do you think is the most popular ice cream. So before writing a report, you need to keep all these things in your mind. Now I have written a report, so I will read it out, and this is for just example. You have to write your own report. Okay, here is the report. Our group visited some ice cream parlors in our area. Amul parlors sell 3 flavors, namely Mango Dude, Vanilla and Chocobar. Vadilal offers orange bars, Twister and Choco Fist. Havmore has raspberry, Julu bar and surprise bar. Prices range from rupees 15 to 25. We tasted all of them. In my opinion, Vadilal's mango ice cream is the most popular. So here is the report for you how to write a report. But you have to try how to write a report yourself. Okay. Now next. Number 8. What do the following words describe in the poem? You all know, I think, about describing words. So now the first one is joyful. So what do the joyful describe? It describes sight. Then little, it describes cart. Then round, it describes umbrella. So here joyful, little and round, they are telling something about this side, cart and umbrella. So they are called describing words. Now number 9, what are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Okay, here the word is mounds. So describing words used for them, they are cooling, brown and white. So here you can see how was the mound. It was cooling, brown and white. It means here these words cooling, brown and white, they are telling something about mound. So they are called describing words. Next, flavors. So here, which are the flavors? Chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. So they are telling name of the different flavors. So they are describing words. Cluster. How was the cluster? Cluster kaisa tha? It was thick. So here thick is describing word. Next. Number 10. Draw and color your dream ice cream. Describe it using interesting words. The colors, the flavors, the size, how it looks, tastes, feels, etc. Now, answer. Here is the ice cream of my dreams. It is a huge bar and looks like a rocket. It has layers of colors, white and chocolate. It is creamy with generous sprinkling of nuts. It has exotic taste, a mixture of several flavors in one. So these are the question answer. You have to write them in your classwork copies. Now I will give you homework. Okay, your homework. The first one, collect picture of ice cream of various brands, flavors and paste them in your copy. It is very easy. You have to just collect picture of ice cream of different brands and flavors. Next, draw picture of ice cream card. You can find it in your classwork copy, textbook. Now you have to give opposite words for the given words. The words are summer, full, joyful, thick, sweet and hot. So this is your homework. Okay children, do your classwork and homework carefully in your copy. I will check when we will meet in the school.